This is a tutorial on how to upload your DJI Go4 flight logs to SafetyDrone. First, open up DJI Go4. Then click the paper airplane in the bottom left corner. Now click the Cloud Sync button in the top right corner. Choose All, then start synchronization. Once that's done, click Complete. Now log into SafetyDrone on your desktop and click Settings, then click DJI Cloud Sync Importer. Make sure you're logged in with your DJI credentials, then adjust the date to January 1st, 2019. Now click Get Flight List. All your flight logs will now come in. Click Import All, wait for them to upload, and now you're done. Thank you.